Let me ask you something real. If you stopped working for 30 days, would your income stop too? For most Americans, the answer is yes. And that's the problem nobody talks about. Because if your business only works when you work, you don't own a business. You own a job. Today, I'm going to show you how businesses actually run without you, and why most people get this completely wrong. Stay till the end, because one small shift can change how you think about money forever. Most people hear business that runs without you and think passive income, zero work, money while you sleep. That's a lie. Every business takes work. The difference is when you do the work. Poor systems require daily effort. Smart systems require one-time effort. And Americans weren't taught to build systems. We were taught to trade time for money. That mindset is exactly why people stay stuck. The goal isn't to disappear. The goal is this: your presence is optional. If you skip a day, nothing breaks. If you skip a week, revenue still flows. If you step back, the system keeps moving. That only happens when you stop being the engine and start being the architect. Let me show you how. If you get paid only when you show up, you're stuck. So ask yourself, can what I do be delivered without me being there? Examples: content instead of meetings, products instead of hours, digital services instead of manual work, creators, software, courses, newsletters, tools. They all sell value again and again without repeating the work. Do the work once. Get paid many times. That's the first shift. Every successful business has automation, payments, emails, delivery, scheduling. If a human has to do it every time, it's a bottleneck. Automation isn't expensive anymore. It's normal. If you're manually doing what software can handle, you're slowing your own growth. Smart Americans don't work harder. They remove themselves from the process. This is where most people fail. If only you know how things work, you're trapped. Businesses scale when knowledge becomes process. Write it down. Record it once. Turn chaos into steps. That's how one person becomes a system. That's how businesses survive without burning you out. Here's the truth most people avoid. You don't need a new idea. You need a better structure. Most Americans don't lack motivation. They lack systems. And systems beat hustle every time. So ask yourself again. If you stopped working for 30 days, would your income stop too? If yes, now you know why. And now you know what to fix. Because businesses that run without you aren't magic. They're designed.